Hello, designers, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney. And as always, welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. So, remember, we are going to talk about this DIY that we have been so pumped up to do. Now, in my last video, I do want to just bring everybody up to date, okay? We got these beautiful pearls from none other than the Dollar Tree. We got a 40 count, a 60 count, and an 80 count. Now, if you are brand new, you can get these at your local Dollar Tree or at dollartree.com. And you can see the more you get, the smaller they are. And I made sure, and I'll tell you my reason why I got so many of them. So we're going to talk about that towards the end of this video, but I'm just going to show you how many I got, honey, and you let me know down below how many you think I've just thrown over here. Okay, there we go. Bam, just one more. I'm totally done right now. Okay, I was just doing that for fun. Now, brooches are so optional. If you do want brooches on your designs, check out that iCard with the sale that we currently have going on. Now, I'm going to go in using some of this flower diamond wrap, everyone. You can't go wrong with this one. However, you can use the diamond wrap, just a basic one. And I'm going to have a playlist. I'm going to place it in here, then I'll let you all know when I place that iCard. Different ways that I spray paint my designs and also place on this flower mesh wrap right there. I have that iCard right there for you all. And I'm just going to skip some steps and you can just check out the playlist later. Now, I am just going to lock it down using some hot glue. This is a temporary project. Remember, we are just having fun with this series. You know, if you see something that you would love to do different, just let me know down below. We're just having fun, you know, until January the 1st. So just let me know some things that you would do towards the end of the video when you see what I have done with this actual design. So I'm going to do the exact same method that I did on the other side. And please make sure that your flower mesh wrap do not like overlap at the bottom, because you do want your designs to look beautiful. I mean, like pro'd out, okay? So I know when you all do yours, it's going to look absolutely fantastic. Moving along to our other side, okay? We're going to go ahead and place down this flower mesh wrap just like this, my friends. Lock it down using some hot glue. That's all I'm going to do. And then just make sure it is secure, okay? That is all you're doing. And you're going to do the exact same thing on the left hand side. So I don't think that I should record that part because you're all going to pretty much get that. And if you have checked out the tutorials like I've asked you guys to, you already know that I have already added in some pearls, and these are the ones that's from the Dollar Tree. Now here is the giveaway question. Let me turn it around. Now, what did I do with this design that I would never do? You guys, in all the years you have been following me, check out some of these things. What are some things you notice that I would absolutely never do? I've done 5 things. And if you at least get 2 of them right, hey, you have entered in the giveaway. Now, something I will tell you that I would have done different is spray painted the whole entire bottle silver. Second, I would not have went with large pearls like these at all. No matter what they're coming from the Dollar Tree, I would have absolutely not done it. It's too overpowering. That's why. So if I'm going to take this pearl, and you all know I love to do the stacking method, even if I would have placed another brooch on top, that is too much going on with this small bottle. Now, if you insist on using a small bottle like this, use small pearls like this, everyone. Look, that'll be so much, look so much better. And on the side, just place the rhinestones. Be so absolutely beautiful. But I do want you all to leave down below what is at least 2 things in this video that you know I have never done in any of the videos that I have done being on YouTube, my friends. So this is absolutely fun. Remember, this is just a fun video that we're doing. We're doing these videos all the way to January the 1st. You all, I thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney. And as always, you all have a beautiful, blessed, and safe one. Bye-bye.